Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a file in a GitHub repository. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now we will be needing just to access to our repository and we add the file from there. So we can simply go to repositories and here we will find our repositories, or you can simply go to your profile and your repositories. So now we can check anyone. uh, Basically I can just go for this one, and from here I already have these files. Now if I want to add a file, you can just simply click on create new file. You give it a name, so basically uh, hello dot gs, and basically here you can add, for example, console log hi, and here I'm just going to commit changes, and they will be added to here. And basically now I have added a file. So if we refresh, we will find the hello.js has been added. But the normal course of action is to add your files into your local repository and then you push them to your uh, remote repository, which is GitHub. So basically here I'm just going to the hello world, and basically I'm just going to fetch and pull the changes. Now, if I go to my repository, we will be needing just to go to the file. So I'm just going show in Explorer, and this is my files. And basically, we'll be needing just to click to add new in your local repository, not folder, but we need a file. And I'm just going to add a new text file or whatever, and testing here.txt. And basically here I'm just going to uh, fetch, and the changes I need just to commit to main, and basically I have been added the file, and I'm just going to refresh, and I will have the text. Normally it should be pushed, so let's push to origin, and now after the push we will have the txt added, and basically that's the correct way to do it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.